Hi, John Price here from ECD Sales and Design. Today we're going to chat with you about why are classic Defenders so desired today. And one of the reasons I'll say is the ability to take these vehicles everywhere and keep the all-wheel drive capabilities of the originals with enhanced components as we do here at ECD, braking, suspension, powertrains, to make them far more reliable than they ever were, but still giving you the ability to go anywhere. It's of course a major factor when it comes down to people looking into this amazing trucks. Now, on top of that, we give clients the ability to further personalize their own car, whether it's the classic dash, if they want to have more of a TD5 style flat panel dash, or a Puma style dash to make it a little bit more modern in that sense. The stitch pattern they want on their seats, the type of leather texture, finishes, surfaces, textures that they may want to add to make it really a one-on-one type of vehicle for them. Or things such as steering wheels, different accents, of course, that we can do throughout the cabin just to bring it all together for them in a very unique way. And there's no doubt that nostalgia, of course, is a big factor for those vehicles being in such great demand. Of course, they're rare. It's not something that you see every day down the road. And they have such character and presence that I think that that's what draws people into looking at building their own or finding one that they like. When our clients are comparing us to other vehicles available out in the market, I think that's probably the nostalgia and uniqueness of this car really sets them apart. Defenders are like no other vehicle, and ECD specializes in keeping the character of the classic Defenders or adding modern components that you find in today's automobiles and make it far more enjoyable than ever before.